Hoy, ready ka na ba? Or asa na naman tayo sa resilience?
Meet Project NOAA, a tech-driven hazard mapping para sa bawat Pilipino. No gatekeeping, just pure science.
You may just simply type your location, such as Metro Manila or depending on where you live, and check your hazard layers on the application, and boom! Instant risk check mo na bago ka pa lumabas o bumili ng bahay.
So, sino nga ba ang exposed? Siyempre, lahat tayo. Youth, urban, poor, at coastal areas. Data should be for everyone, hindi lang for experts.
Dapat kasali ang lahat, including our indigenous and indigent brothers and sisters. They need access and support, not just tools.
Don't wait for the rain. Increase your capacity, check your risk, and save a life.